Today is the first day of May. It's also the first Monday of May, which means that it is Melanoma Monday.
Melanoma is not the most common cause of skin cancer, but it's a deadly form of skin cancer.
Dr. Sana Zahiruddin is a chief dermatology resident with MD Anderson and one of the doctors conducting free screenings for KPRC employees.
We use a special instrument called a dermatoscope. It's basically like a handheld microscope with a polarized light where we can see a little bit deeper in the skin. And we just go from head to toe and we look for anything that's abnormal, anything that's catching our eye or that you're concerned about.
I go to my doctor for my regular physicals and she may be looking at things like that, but I've never had a specific skin cancer.
Rick McFarland is one of those KPRC staff members going through a screening. At 64, he's had quite a bit of sun exposure over the years, especially when he was a kid.
I grew up in an era where there was no sunscreen and we played outside all the time. We had no air conditioning. One time fell asleep on a dock. You know, my back, I couldn't even lay on my back I remember it as I was probably about 10 years old.
Dr. Zahiruddin says she hears those stories all the time and sees all types of skin, neither of which should keep anyone from getting a screening.
There's a lot of anxiety of coming to the dermatologist. We see skin every single day. I don't want you to be embarrassed about anything. Some people, are very embarrassed to come without shaved legs. I don't care. I just see the skin.
As for Rick, he leaves the screening without any new concerns, but he does take with him a renewed appreciation for skincare.
You don't think about the impact the sun is really having on you. You think, okay, I put sunscreen on my face and I've kind of covered myself up, I'm good. But you don't really think about the damage it's probably doing to you in the long run.
While today these screenings are only happening at KPRC, you actually have the opportunity to get yourself screened for free coming up May 13th, so not this Saturday, but the next week, 3 different locations, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. In Houston, Chip Brewster, KPRC, Channel 2 News.